Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by title, I have a monthly glossy box. This is for the month of September. This glossy box arrived yesterday and I am filming this today, which is Saturday the 7th of September. And like always, I just want to show you what's in this box, talk a little bit about this. I have, as I always do, seen the items already, so I know my thoughts on this box, which I'll share with you at the end. We're back to the standard packaging of the glossy box, which is that pink and black packaging. I think I've done a good job this month at not completely ruining that bowl packaging. And I have on my phone here the digital version of the glossy box so that I can talk about each product a little bit. So I am just going to get started and talk about the products that we got. First thing that we have in the box is this, and this is a liquid IV. It is a powder hydration liquid you would just add into water. This is just, I guess, an added freebie if you like, but we have that. So onto the actual box. The first product we have, you would be getting one of two things. So you would either be getting the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, priced at £37, or you would be getting the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Face Wash, priced at £8.50. I have gotten this, which is the Elemis Resurfacing Face Wash. Looks like that. I'm really excited to try this. I have never tried anything by Elemis, but I have always wanted to. I would have preferred the Pro Marine Collagen Face Cream, if I'm honest, but this is what we got and I'm so excited to try it because I've always wanted to try Elemis. And I know Elemis is quite an expensive brand. Second product we have is this. This is the Youth Lab Brightening Boom Mask. This is a sheet mask powered by vitamins and trinoic acids to help with rejuvenating the skin. This is priced at £5.89. I quite like this. I do quite like sheet masks. I don't tend to actively use them a whole lot, but I do like this. And what you can also do with sheet mask is you can use them more than once. So what I tend to do is I'll use a sheet mask on clean skin. I will then put that sheet mask with clean hands back into the packaging. So I usually tend to get 2 uses out of sheet masks just so that I'm getting the most out of it. But yeah, that is the second item. Third item we have is this, and this is a St. Luxe, and it is a setting spray. This is a full size apparently, and so was the sheet mask. The face wash by Elemis is a travel size. So about this just says that it is a microfine setting mist to enhance your skin and moisture retention. It sets your makeup, it gives you a radiant glow. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, and apparently this retails for £19.83, which is very expensive. We then have two more products. We have this. This is a vitamin infused scalp serum. Looks like this. This is priced at £19. We have 20 mils here. We have a deluxe size of this, not a full size. This is to be used on your scalp. You can use it after you've washed your hair. It's got apparently cold pressed oils in it. It's enhanced with essential vitamins like vitamin B, D and E. And it's to sustain moisture on the scalp, improve hair elasticity, natural growth. Apparently it's ideal for repairing chemically damaged hair. So we have that. I think that's quite different to get a scalp serum. And then the last item we have is an MUA Velvet Matte Lipstick. This is priced at £3.75 and you could get a variety of shades, and we have this shade, which is a bright red. So I am just quickly going to run over all of the products and then I will share my overall thoughts. So first product we got is this, the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Face Wash. We then got the Youth Lab Brightening Face Mask. We have the Makeup Setting Spray. We have the Scalp Serum. And then lastly we have the MUA Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in that bright red shade. And then we had the liquid IV sachet just thrown in there. So my overall thoughts on this box. I like some of the products in this box. I don't like everything in this box. In terms of items that I am going to keep, I will just quickly run through them now. So I am going to keep the Elemis face wash. I am going to keep the Youth Labs sheet mask. I am also probably going to keep the scalp serum, and I may or may not keep this setting spray. So out of the 5 products, I am going to be keeping 3 to 4 of the products. The product I am not going to be keeping is this. This is the Liquid Matte Lipstick by MUA. This is in a bright red. I don't wear reds, my mum wears reds, so I'm going to be passing this on to her. I was a little bit disappointed that I got a red, because for me red isn't something that I would wear. I would have preferred a pink or a nude colour. I kind of think that that is a bit strange that they would give a red, because red can be quite an intimidating colour compared to maybe something that is more pink or nude. I just don't like the way red lips look on me personally. So my overall thoughts on this box, I for the most part like this box. I would have made a few tweaks here and there, especially with this being a different colour and this being the other version of the product that wasn't the face wash. But overall I think it was quite a good box, quite a nice box. Next month is going to be my last monthly subscription for the Glossybox, because I did the 6-month package. So next month, the month of October, is going to be my last box. If you have got this box, let me know what your thoughts are, and I will speak to you all in my next video. So until then, goodbye guys.